When deployed in high-concurrency enterprise environments, single monolithic AI agents fail. If you task one agent to act as a general-purpose problem solver, it will eventually hit an error, fail to recover, and collapse into an endless retry loop that crashes the entire system. This failure starts with token bloat. Token bloat occurs when an agent carries irrelevant context across multiple domains, wasting its active memory limit on data it doesn't need for the immediate task. That memory limit exhaustion causes semantic drift. Semantic drift is the process where competing objectives blur an agent's focus, steadily degrading the accuracy of its reasoning as the conversation lengthens. This chart maps task complexity against system error rates. It shows a severe degradation in reliability. In production environments, multi-agent systems without strict orchestration experience failure rates between 41 and 87.7%. These failures are often silent. State synchronization breaks down, meaning different parts of the system operate on conflicting versions of reality. The agent attempts to reconcile the conflicting data, fails, and triggers those infinite retry loops we saw earlier. Monolithic architectures are mathematically doomed to fail at scale. The error stems from conflating the system's intelligence with its mechanical execution. To solve this, we separate the two. Here is a live hybrid orchestration layer executing a complex enterprise task. On the left, a CrewAI manager receives a complex user prompt. Instead of trying to solve the problem directly, it acts as a semantic router. It analyzes the intent and instantly decomposes the workload into distinct, actionable steps. On the right, LangGraph worker agents spin up in parallel. Each worker receives exactly one isolated subtask and the precise context required to execute it. In this instance, one worker parses a dense technical PDF, while another cross-references that extracted data against a live billing API. We can verify this success in real time. The log shows state checkpoints passing and latency metrics remaining stable, proving the workers completed their tasks without dropping context. Achieving reliable enterprise scale requires discarding the monolithic approach. Developers must build decoupled, specialized orchestration systems. This Agent OS architecture blueprint decouples reasoning from execution. Node 3, the semantic router, uses a language model to understand user intent. By decomposing the prompt, it prevents token bloat, ensuring only the exact data required flows to the execution layers. Those execution layers are populated by specialist worker agents. These agents operate with least privileged tool access, meaning they are only granted the specific permissions needed to complete their narrow task. This constraint eliminates role drift, which is the tendency for an AI agent to gradually abandon its designated responsibilities and attempt actions outside its expertise. By enforcing strict boundaries, this hierarchical decomposition takes the inherent unpredictability of language models and channels it into manageable, deterministic pathways. Semantic routing acts as the primary defense mechanism against system complexity. It isolates risks at the planning stage before they ever reach the execution layer. However, orchestrating these isolated agents exposes another architectural flaw: the reliance on synchronous request-response polling loops. Forcing autonomous agents to continuously poll each other for status updates creates massive bottlenecks. The solution is shown here at Node 4, the event-driven message bus, the backbone for real-time governance. Integrating message brokers enables asynchronous handoffs. Agents no longer wait in line. They push their completed work to the bus and immediately move on.
This completely eliminates the polling tax, the computational waste generated by systems repeatedly asking if a task is done, and drastically reduces overall coordination latency. It also enables the agentic edge model. This is a deployment model where worker agents sit entirely idle, consuming zero compute resources, until they are triggered by an explicit webhook event from the message bus. This asynchronous structure buffers failures. If a single database agent goes offline, the message queue holds the pending tasks. The error remains isolated and does not cascade into a system-wide crash. Without an event-driven backbone, multi-agent systems are simply fragile scripts. With it, they operate as a resilient operating system. Moving from theoretical blueprints to physical code requires selecting the right frameworks for the right nodes in that architecture. This diagram compares the two leading tools. On the left, CrewAI is the social workforce, excelling at rapid prototyping and role-based routing, but it carries a production risk. Its hidden orchestration struggles with precise timing, causing agents to spiral into loops of doom during errors. On the right is LangGraph, the production engine. It functions as a computational state machine built for mission-critical layers. It operates using explicit directed acyclic graphs, networks of nodes and edges that intentionally loop data under strict conditions, providing absolute control over application state. This explicit structure enables time travel checkpointing. It allows developers to pause execution, inspect or modify the state at a historical node, and resume the process, making mid-flow human-in-the-loop interventions possible. The contrast is clear. CrewAI is fast to deploy, but unpredictable at the execution layer. LangGraph requires verbose, explicit coding, but it delivers bulletproof reliability. Therefore, the architectural mandate for an agent OS is to use CrewAI exclusively for semantic routing at the top level, and LangGraph exclusively for deterministic loops at the execution level. We integrate these two frameworks using a specific enterprise pattern, wrapping a compiled LangGraph application directly inside a CrewAI tool decorator. Inside this tool, the LangGraph skeleton secures the execution infrastructure. It handles the explicit API routing and maintains the database connections entirely independent of the CrewAI manager's logic. When the CrewAI manager identifies a technical subtask, it delegates the work by passing its extracted variables straight into this wrapped LangGraph tool. The LangGraph worker then begins its deterministic execution cycle. It extracts the raw data, runs it against strict validation schemas, and refines the output. If a downstream API connection fails during this cycle, the LangGraph state machine simply enters a wait state. It preserves the exact context of the operation until the API recovers, preventing the entire agent chain from collapsing. This hybrid architecture produces highly actionable insights for debugging. By expanding the top-level CrewAI manager trace, developers can view perfectly contained, step-by-step LangGraph worker spans. Once the execution cycle completes, the LangGraph worker returns a strictly validated JSON object back up to the CrewAI manager, which then synthesizes the final response for the user. This exact implementation pattern successfully bridges the gap between predictable, structured control flow and the emergent collaboration of autonomous agents. Building these systems exposes unique friction points for every team. Identify your biggest multi-agent orchestration hurdle and drop it in the comments below. Moving from pilot projects to enterprise reality requires abandoning framework tribalism. You have to stop building isolated bots and start architecting a true agent OS.